Hey everybody, what's up? This is just going to be a quick talking head video about building AIs. And by that, I mean like AI design, not necessarily the design of the LLM with actual machine learning and fine tuning, but design upon how the information is come across. So, in this, I'm talking about like the tone of voice, how clear and concise you want it to be if you're doing a summary, which kind of invokes some type of prompt engineering involved in this. Um, if you do hear hammers or anything dealing with the roof, we got people working on the roof today. So, um, pretty much the purpose of all communication, anything that we do is the conversation. There's a topic and then there's a goal to be achieved. With that, there's dialogue in between, the details, the relation, the emotion. To if you're a salesperson, you probably want to connect. That kind of deals with the goal set in mind upon the AI agents themselves. Are they talking to the user? Then you want it to be more emotion invoked within the words that they're using. If you're not dealing with another user and you need it to be small, concise, which might save you tokens over a large amount of time of use, you probably just want it to be, hey, look, here's the summary of everything, convey this to the next agent, and push it down the workflow. But it's to bridge the gap of the unknown, like neurons. You got point A, you got point B. This in between, the communication is the most important. That's where you have the tone of voice and everything. For effective communication, again, clear and concise, listen actively, encourage feedback, consider the context or audience. You want it to be consistent, personalized, dealing for whatever task is at hand. Proactively, so suggestions, clarifying, just to make sure. Um, Adaptability, and transparency. And that's it for this. Um, that's kind of what I mean by AI design, especially when it comes to why I consider it character creation, is because at the end of the day, you are still building something that will be interacting with something else. No matter if it's text based or vocal based or even just sharing an image, the way that you are programming these things or prompting these things is how it's going to quote unquote understand or comprehend, how it's going to take the semantics from the vector database and put it into words towards the user. Just like right now, I'm about to go into work for being a barista. Out of work, I'm definitely gonna understand my contextual environment and talk, and some people might say code switch into a whole nother language to where they still say and understand the same thing. But when I'm at work, I'm definitely gonna go ahead and choose, let's say in my own mind, that different verbiage from the vector database, because understanding that in these different environments is a different program, a different set of rules, to where I have to then change me, speaking of myself as being the AI agent, and changing the vernacular, changing the words, changing everything to where it fits to be a more user friendly environment working at Starbucks. So that's where prompt engineering with clear instructions, we've already been through prompt engineering if you've seen my other videos or other people's videos, though it can be more technical upon like how you go about setting it up. It definitely is the thought of the tone of voice and the goal in mind upon how you want to design these AIs. So I'm not sure how I'm going to label this video, but I think it's still going to be like AI design, comic or parenthesis character creation. But yeah, there's a role, there's a task, and examples that you're looking for during this creation. And in my mind, just like if you've ever played Dungeons and Dragons before, you want to give it a certain type of persona. That way, quote unquote, it feels real, or at least real enough to where by the time you get to an end product or you give it off to somebody, they're definitely like going to rate this high, or you did a good job, or it really is a compelling product. That's it. It's Rozzy. Quick little 5 minute 30. 5 minute 30-second video. Y'all have a great day.